Hi, I'm Shreya. I have been in pharma companies for more than 3 years and now I'm pursuing digital marketing as my career. I pursued my master's in biotechnology and have worked with many different pharma companies, but now I'm switching my career into digital marketing, which is completely a different field for me. My love for social media drills me into the world of digital marketing, which I was unaware of if Brandveda did not offer me their course. At no point I felt any technical difficulties because the course is so well formulated and thoughtfully designed that like they start from the basics and then move up to the advanced topic like Google Ads, SEO, ad run strategies, content marketing. This course has enabled me to learn a lot of new skills, and also Saurabh sir has been really motivating and helping me throughout the course. For me, I feel Brandveda is the best place to give your career a head start.